The role of police in recent Pradyuman case has highlighted pathetic policing system in India. Haryana police beat up accused Ashok, hung him upside down, tortured to confess the murder of 7-year-old Pradyuman. Such allegation towards police is not new, but this time a report, which is the first of its kind, has stated that the police officer tortured accused, fabrication of evidence, and indulgent in wrongdoings to resolve the case with no time. Take a look at the major points of the report. News Desk.